In the showroom, electric vehicles still cost more than their gasoline counterparts. Sure, there are tax credits, the maintenance is far cheaper, and charging can be cheaper than refueling in some cases. But it's that sticker price that keeps some shoppers away from the electric powertrain. This issue is especially important since vehicles from Tesla and GM have exceeded their allotment of electric vehicles eligible to receive the tax credit, meaning that people buying those vehicles are paying sticker price. Fortunately, it looks like the cost per kilowatt-hour is continuing to trend down, and according to a new report from energy research firm Bloomberg NEF, the market average should be $101 per kilowatt-hour by 2023. The $100 per kWh price point is where experts expect the cost of EVs to match the prices of comparable gas-powered vehicles. If federal and state tax credits are still available at that time, it's likely that they could make an EV cheaper than a gas car to buy. The report notes that the battery packs of buses in China have already dipped below the $100 per kWh price point. As for the average global price for batteries in 2020 across all EV segments, it hit a new low of $137 per kilowatt-hour. That's an 89% drop from 2010, when the price was $1,100 per kilowatt-hour. The report does say that hiccups could adjust the predicted price, but it still expects prices to fall to $58 per kilowatt-hour by 2030. One way that could help reduce the price is if solid-state batteries finally become stable enough to go mainstream and end up in vehicles. The report says that the production costs of manufacturing these types of batteries are 40% that of current lithium-ion batteries.